Right, we are here on the side of the road and we're in Group 1. We've just had a cracking drive, and I can confidently say now that this is the first proper drive I've had since I bought the Firestorm over here, the Lava Orange GT3RS 2016. I can confidently say that this handles better than my GT4RS. I know that people are going to go, oh, but as a 911, it handles these conditions better. It's damped as well as my GT3 was, my original GT3. Not that the GT4RS was too tight, but it's just the way the mid-engine platform with that extra power goes. It was skidding on the road over certain bumps. This thing's much more compliant with and without the damper switched. So I'm very happy, and the sound, engine sound, it's different to the 3.8 in my previous GT3.1. It's down low, it's just more throaty, it's got more torque, more sound, it screams at the top end. You've got air intake sound as per I had in the GT4RS, because as you can see, it's got air intakes. And also at 8,000 RPM, it goes to 8,800. It doesn't need to go any further because the sound is so loud in the cabin, it's just ridiculous. So anyone who's got one of these cars knows what I'm talking about. Go Porsche, let's keep pedaling.